As we've seen discussed elsewhere in this set of videos, tagging is by far the most efficient way of reporting data from objects in the REVIT database. So let's see how a simple one is created. In this exercise, you'll need to open the project file, Chapter 6 Tags, located in your Chapter 6 folder, and we will be creating a new REVIT family from the Startup screen. From the Families section, click on New Family. This time we're going to browse to the Annotation folder and select Generic Tag. Just as the model, we have two crossing reference planes. These define the origin point of the family. There's also a message here. It says, Note, use properties family categories and parameters to set the tag's category. Insertion point is at intersection of reference planes. Delete this note before using. That's good advice. Let's delete the note, and from the family categories and parameters, change our family to an air terminal tag and click on OK. Now we want to create a label. From the Create tab, click on Create Label. We get the options of the size. You can see we only have one size as default. If you want to change it, we can click on Edit Type, click Duplicate, and create your own size tag. Select your text font and your text size, and any other options you want to assign this particular piece of text. Click on OK. I'm going to place the label. Here's the format for its placement: center middle and align center. And I'm going to place that on the center point of the two reference planes. Now let's select the parameter that we want to report from the diffuser. Here I want to select flow and add that to my label parameters. Click on OK. We're almost done. I'm going to save this family. Let's call it Chapter 6 Diffuser Tag. Click on Save. In the model family, we had different types, and that's not strictly necessary in an annotation family. If I click on Family Types, you'll see that we don't have a type here. Just as best practice, I always create a new type and call it Standard. Otherwise, when we load the family into our project, we will have a Chapter 6 Diffuser Tag with a type that is also Chapter 6 Diffuser Tag. It's really quite annoying. Click on OK, and then load this into your project. Here's the Chapter 6 Tags project file. With the family loaded, I can now go and tag the diffusers. And you can see that the tag reports the information from the diffuser. Selecting the diffuser, I can change the flow either from the Properties palette or from the Options bar, and it's reflected in all places.